Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today is a simple request. I need you to support good time and stay tuned.
Did you say the Greener Lawn? Why would you
Greener
say
Lawn.
welcome back to the Greener Lawn?
I didn't say that.
That's what it sounded like.
No. So, welcome back to the Greener Lawn.
So what this video is about is if I have helped you in any way with one of my videos, with you emailing me or reaching out to me and we had a one-on-one conversation that helped your lawn, what I'd really like from you is for you to email before, after pictures, and a synopsis of what we did to make your lawn better. I want to highlight your guys' lawns at this point in the season. They are starting to go to sleep, but I definitely would like to highlight what you guys have done. It is fun to be able to support good times, support the lawn community, and see what you guys have created. Let's go ahead and get those submissions sent to me at JeremyofTheGreenerLawn@gmail.com. Simple request today, nothing huge.
That's what she said.
So if you can, send me those videos by Saturday, November 6th, 2021, so that we can get this video out. I would love to see how your yards transform this year. This will help me grow as a creator, knowing what kind of help worked for you guys from my channel. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Make her green. Well, isn't that just green? Not too shabby, not having any water for almost 2 months. Not too bad at all.